Good morning. Great presentation so far. My name is Michal Devere, and in the next 5 minutes or so, I'm going to present ProIV to you. ProIV is an exciting company that has developed a novel mobile platform that actually prevents infusion errors and saves life. You know, medical errors is a serious problem. We do say that to err is human, but actually it became much, much more big than we ever thought, and much more expensive. You know, over 100,000 deaths are reported every year in US only, and those, and I'm talking about preventable errors. 1/3 of these are related to IV infusions. And when we talk about errors, we talk about patient safety, and we talk about the 5 R's. The 5 R's are the right patient to get the right medication on the right time, the right dose, and the right route of administrations. There are lots of technologies and methods to prevent those errors and to make sure that the patient bill of rights is kept. But all what there is in the marketplace right now still have a potential for human errors. So we at ProIV are going to change dramatically the way patients are receiving their IV today. And we are going actually to eliminate those human errors and save lives. So we invented the IMMAGINE system. IMMAGINE stands for Infusion Monitoring, Management, and Safety Systems. And what we do is we do have a web-based software on one hand. On the other hand, we have controllers that are located on the IV line that includes a shut-off patented valve, our valve, and we have an application, a smartphone application that communicates between those two. So with the application, with the smartphone application, we actually verify that that's the right patient, the right caregiver, the right drug, the right time. And the application communicates with the software, so we ensure patient protocol compliance. Since we are connected to the mobile network, we can, of course, provide the 24/7 infusion status to the smartphone of the caregiver. We can also provide the real-time event management. And, of course, we can have automatic documents and reports of all IV bedside events. And medical staff really likes it because it saved them a hell of a time. You know, in the hospital environment, medical teams love our system, not only because it eliminates errors, because it also enables them to give their patients much better treatment, near the IV, because we are connected to the mobile network, because they can tell in every single time what's the status. They don't need to run to the patient's bed. At home, our system is also very acceptable and very welcome. And for patients receiving their IV at home, not only that we eliminate error, we keep patients' compliance. And as we say, the patient is never left alone. We know what's going on there. We are connected through the mobile. You know, almost all patients hospitalized in the hospital receive IV. So that's a huge and growing market, and almost all the big global healthcare players are there, and it's a very active M&A market. We are very proud of our first patent that was granted in the US, and we are even more proud of the 15 patients that have already received treatment using the IMMAGINE system. Here you see our first patient You see Nurse Lily holding her smartphone with our application on it. And I don't know if you can see here, but down there near the leg of the patient, you can see actually the controller hanged down. We have raised so far $1.5 million from Trendlines, of course, the OCS, the founders, and private US investors. We are currently raising $1.5 million to obtain regulatory approvals. We are halfway there already. And of course, to support our business development and marketing activities. So I hope you will help us bring the infusion process into the 21st century, prevent errors, and save lives. Thank you.